With integrity as the foundation and quality as the driving force, SUNCA Company Limited was established in 2011 with headquarters located in New Taipei City, Taiwan. The company has successfully established a Dongguan production base, East China office, Hunan and Vietnam factories. SUNCA is a global professional wire company specializing in wire design and manufacturing, as well as the development of special modes. Through continuous technological innovation and service improvement, SUNCA has built an experienced and high-efficient team and has successfully obtained ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification, HDMI Association certification, IATF 16949 certification, as well as various product certifications such as CE, RoHS, UL. Over the years, SUNCA has adhered to its beliefs and tirelessly pursued providing customers with satisfactory products and high-quality services. To achieve this, SUNCA has introduced a large number of automated production equipment, including vertical injection molding machines, automatic soldering machines, terminal crimping machines, shielded wire automatic processing machines, fully automatic terminal machines, laser marking machines, laser aluminum foil cutting machines, and many other equipment. Through standardized design and manufacturing processes, the company achieves sustainable improvement of wire manufacturing technology. SUNCA deeply understands that only by carefully creating high-quality products can we thrive in a fiercely competitive market environment. SUNCA has always insisted on building a quality system as the core driving force for the healthy and rapid development of the company. The company possesses advanced laboratories equipped with various professional testing equipment, including general conductor resistance fixtures, vertical lifting swing testers, wire zipper test machines, RoHS testers, and thermal aging laboratories. With numerous testing devices in place, every product is able to withstand the test of time and harsh environments. SUNCA pays meticulous attention to every detail and controls every aspect of quality. Currently, the main products cover audio-visual communication cables, waterproof connector cables, automotive standard cables, military standard cables, industrial control cables, medical cables, etc. The service industry spans across computer, communications, optoelectronics, medical care, automobiles, electric vehicles, semiconductor testing equipment, and consumer electronics industries. With excellent technical support and superior after-sales service guarantee, SUNCA has received high praise from numerous customers, and the products are well marketed worldwide. SUNCA has always adhered to modern management concepts and innovative capabilities, and distinctive enterprise management is the cornerstone of our company's high-quality development. The commitment to delivering superior products and solutions reflects SUNCA's continuous pursuit. Looking ahead, SUNCA would continue to uphold a professional and innovative mindset, implementing our corporate mission of comprehensive quality control, high-quality systems, and specialized services. SUNCA, in response to the trend of globalization and China Plus One, conducted in-depth research on Southeast Asia and invested in the Vietnamese factory in August 2024, increasing its production base outside of China. It can deliver locally in Vietnam and Southeast Asia and export to the world, taking a step further towards overseas markets. With the collaboration of technology and keeping pace with the times, SUNCA aspired to become a benchmark in the global electronic technology field for wire manufacturing.